Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is on how to make a frontal wig. I know I've already uploaded a video on that, but this is very detailed. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I would like you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Share this video to friends and family, leave a comment and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah.
So I might give a 6 to my
This was how the hair came. It came through DHL and it took about 4 to 5 days. The packaging is really beautiful. Just want you guys to unbox with me.
Ain't getting all up from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride. Try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
Baby,
Here is the gorgeous hair, the frontal and 3 bundles. The bundles in 22 inches and the frontal in 18 inches.
So rockabye, baby, rockabye.
The frontal came pre-plugged, so I didn't do anything to it. The texture is so soft and sticky. It's very lightweight. It does not shade at all. No funny smell. Very true to length, and the waves are pretty nice. Just placing the wig cap on the mannequin head, then using T-pins to secure it properly.
like controller. Cause
all we need is somebody to lead on.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling.
Placing the frontal on the wig cap like so, and making sure that the center is well observed. That is, I'm placing the center of the frontal on the center of the wig cap using T-pins to secure it. As I'm placing it, I'm making sure that I observe the ears of the mannequin head. That is, I'm making sure that the ends of the frontal stop at the ears of the mannequin head, since I'm not using a professional mannequin head to make a wig. And also leaving enough bands at the back for the client. Don't know if you guys understand.
Go, don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
After pinning the frontal or placing the frontal properly, we'll just go ahead to use clips at the back of the frontal so it can clip down all the hairs to the front so that there won't be any mistakes while sewing. Using needle and thread to sew down or to stitch down the frontal from the front to back. That is, I'm placing the needle and thread through the front to create a loop and then pass it through the loop twice to create a knot. Don't know if you guys understand the method. Please watch the video carefully like I always say. And I always like to start from the middle part of the frontal and then sew it to the left side of the ear first, and then start again from the middle part to sew to the right side of the ear. This is to avoid mistakes, and it's very easy to sew frontal this way and it gives a perfect finishing. We'll continue sewing until I reach the end part of the left ear.
Yeah, you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature.
Yeah, this is how the stitches should look like at the end of the sewing.
Take it easy on my heart.
Like control.
Now I'm just stitching the bundles starting from the back of the mannequin head, and I'm also doing it from the end of the frontal down to the other side of the frontal in a U shape or half circle. Please watch the video to get a better understanding.
Don't sleep, cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.
Who do you love? And are you sure?
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price of pain. Destiny is calling me. Yeah. I'm in love with the shape of you.
As I'm sewing, I'm using T-pins to guide me, and I'm doing the turnover method. When I get to the end of the U shape, I turn it over and continue sewing until I reach the middle part of the wig.
I like you, every day discovering something brand new.
I'm in love with the shape of you. No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride. Try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You see it in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart.
Like controller, controller.
'Cause all we need is somebody to lead on.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling.
For the middle part of the wig, instead of continuously sewing it in a U shape outward, we'll start sewing it inward just so that the closing, or where I will sew the last web, will lay very flat and rhyme with the frontal in front. Hope you understand what I mean. And while I'm doing the inward U shape, we'll continue to do the turnover method. That is, when I get to the end, we'll just flip it over and continue sewing. So until I get very close to the lace frontal, and then I'll tie and cut the thread off.
Before you go, don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price of pain. Destiny is calling me. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new.
I'm in love with the shape of you. No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride. Try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think
After sewing, we're just straightening the hair a little bit using hair dryer and a tail comb, a small tail comb.
Tonight,
I love cheap grills.
baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills. So rock.
For application, I'm wearing this stockings wig cap, and then I'll apply my shade of powder or any foundation of your shade will do, and then I'll apply it. I also apply it on the lace wig at the back of the frontal so that it will rhyme with my scalp.
Temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on.
Now I'm using these mini scissors to cut off or to trim off the excess lace from the frontal in front of my head.
Body's lead on.
Girl, you're
Before I go in with the glue, I'm using this small comb to comb all the small hairs. For the glue, I'm using Got2b glue, both the freeze spray and the ultra glue. We'll first apply the ultra glue first where I want the lace frontal to be before I go in with the freeze spray so that it will dry faster. Now I'm applying the glue and fanning it with the paper at the same time so that it will get tacky very fast, and when it is, we'll just place the lace frontal where I apply the glue gently and then press it down a bit.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price of pain. Destiny is.
After that, we'll use the pink material to just tie it and allow it for some time.
Pull like a magnet, although my heart is falling too.
And loosening it and then style it to my liking, and yeah, here is the final look.
She smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love.
Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe if you haven't, like and share to friends and family, and leave a comment below please. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye and stay blessed.